Hello. In this video, we'll explain what the life cycle of an initiative is. It all starts with the declaration of the initiative. An initiative generally includes a title, a plan, which specifies its playground, a description of the problem, the proposed solution, the expected results, and other classification elements. When a user declares an initiative, he automatically becomes its author and editor. Depending on the rights, the user may also declare an initiative on behalf of a third party among existing users. Once the various form fields have been completed, the user can save the initiative as a draft to come back to it later, or submit it to the approver for decision. The approver is determined automatically by the application, according to its settings and the initiative's various classification elements. Once the initiative has been submitted to the approver, it enters the approval phase. At this stage, we will analyze, prioritize, and plan the implementation of the initiative. The approver who receives the new initiative is usually notified by email and on his or her homepage. Several tools and functionalities are then available to assist in the decision-making process. A request for expertise if the initiative lacks elements that can only be provided by an expert. Calls for contribution, if need be, to consult different people to get their feedback before making a decision. Opportunity analysis and pre-analysis requests to help estimate the added value and prioritize the initiative according to a gain-effort matrix. The approver can also request further details to the author-editor if the elements needed to process the initiative are lacking. Transfer the initiative to another approver if the named approver is not the person in charge, or if the decision needs to be escalated to the right authority level. Put the initiative on hold if it is not feasible at the moment, or for any other reason that would justify postponing it. When the approver has sufficient elements to support his decision, he can either reject the initiative, giving a reason for rejection. The initiative's life cycle ends here. Approve the initiative and appoint an implementation coordinator. The implementation coordinator appointed by the approver then receives a notification on his or her homepage and by email. This is the start of the implementation phase. As the name suggests, the implementation coordinator is responsible for implementing the initiative and for communicating on its progress. To do this, he/she can update a percentage of progress, a confidence level in the form of a weather report, milestones with attachments when appropriate. When the initiative's implementation phase is complete, the implementation coordinator can confirm implementation with success if all requested actions have been completed, or confirm implementation without success if all requested actions have not been completed and implementation has not been completed. Once implementation has been confirmed with or without success, the initiative is sent back to the approver for the fourth and final stage in the initiative lifecycle: closure. Closing consists in checking that the results obtained are in line with expectations. If necessary, the approver can ask another user to verify the effectiveness of the project at a set date. When sufficient evidence is available, the approver can choose between close the initiative with success if the results obtained are satisfactory, close the initiative without success. The initiative's life cycle is then complete. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon.